Hi and welcome to the WordPress course. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your media and do some basic editing. So just hover over media and then click on library. And here is a list of all the images that you have uploaded. If you want to add new image, then you can hover over this media option and then you can click on add new, or you can also click on add new from here. So I will click on add new here and then I will click on select files. And here I will select two file. I will select this one and this one, both of them which I downloaded in the last video. I will click on open and both of them are now uploaded. If you want to edit your image, then you can click on your image and here you can add your caption, you can add your description, you can add your alternate text. Again, you should add some alternate text. Okay, you can also do some basic editing on your image. You can crop your image, you can change the size of image, you can click on this edit image option and you can do all of that. I will show you that when we upload this website on the internet. Right now I can't do that on my local host for some reason. So that's it for this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.